By request, kick-ass facts, prairie dogs. Pew, 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 pew! Prairie dogs possess some of the most complex communication systems and social structures of any animal. Different chirps are used to communicate not only when a predator is nearby, but also its color, size, and speed. The prairie dog community relies on these chirps to stay safe and look out for each other. Prairie dogs live in colonies that serve as little towns. They live in family groups called coteries, which typically consist of one male to 2 to 3 females and their young. Male prairie dogs are likely to be polygamous. It is not uncommon, however, for female prairie dogs to mate with multiple males to increase their chances of reproducing. Though they mate with multiple females, male prairie dogs are quite jealous and possessive. After they mate with females, male prairie dogs insert a mating plug or copulatory plug into the female's vagina to prevent other males from mating with them. However, females often remove the plugs. They're fast, skilled fighters armed with sharp claws and powerful teeth. There are 5 species of prairie dogs: black-tailed, Mexican, Gunnison's, white-tailed, and Utah prairie dogs. They once numbered in the hundreds of millions. However, hunting, poisoning, and habitat loss has decreased their populations by up to 95%. Despite having the word dog in their name, they are not closely related to dogs or any other canine. Its genus name comes from a Greek word that translates to dog mouse. The phrase prairie dogging refers to people looking over cubicle walls in response to a commotion, like how prairie dogs would pop their heads out of burrows to watch for predators. If you've ever worked in a call center. Prairie dogs appear to kiss when they come into contact with others in an area around their burrow. Researchers call this behavior a Greek kiss. They touch noses and lock teeth with one another, which allows them to determine if they're members of the same family group. If they belong to the same family, they go on about their day. If not, they will often fight or chase the interloper from the area. Within the families of prairie dogs, the females are typically related to one another and were born in the same group. Then they stay with this group for life, while the males born in a group wander off to other groups to avoid mating with their kin. Entire ecosystems rely on these tiny animals. Their tunneling aerates the oil, and their caca is high in nitrogen, which improves soil quality. They have a contagious jump yip. When one prairie dog's action is mimicked by the other, one animal stands on its hind legs, stretches its arms out, throws back its head, and yips like it just don't care. Upon hearing the sound, other prairie dogs copy the behavior, and then the jump yips spread through the whole colony. It's like the wave. They can be fierce in protecting their turf. Prairie dogs have been known to kill ground squirrels to eliminate competition. They'll usually discard the carcass, sometimes eating small portions of their kills. The leading cause of death, around 51% of prairie dogs, is actually infanticide. Even though the mothers will take care of their own babies and babies of others, usually, males that take control of a family group will kill the offspring of the former dominant male. Females also tend to kill off the offspring of their close family members. Experts suggest they do this to increase the survivability of their own offspring.